We're starting with a big story of how India is uniting against the Bengaluru horror, the sexist netas and delayed system where justice is become a joke, where law is being taken for granted by molesters on the streets, by gundas on the streets. It's no fear of law. In Bengaluru, as two of the cases came out, Virat Kohli also sent out a message. This is ahead of the BCCI selection committee meet as well. Now, we're also given to understand that BCCI will name the limited over squad for ODI and T20 series against England today. India's test skipper Virat has been invited to attend the selection committee meet in Mumbai, with MS Dhoni stepping down as India's limited overs captain. This will be Virat Kohli's first full assignment as the ODI skipper. Virat has been leading the test team, which recently beat England in test series with 4-0. Now, Virat Kohli has also sent out a strong message on the Bengaluru molestation attack earlier today. He's also tweeted on his Twitter handle where he has said that I thank Dhoni for always being leader of the youngsters, and a youngster also wants a leader around him, and you'll always be my captain. My colleague Rashesh joining us right now from the BCCI headquarters. So Rashesh, when are we expecting the big announcement on Virat Kohli's imminent elevation now?
You're right, it's imminent elevation and it would not take much time. 12:30 is when the meeting starts, and that would be the first call that the set of selectors will make to appoint Virat Kohli as India's new limited over skipper. Once that is done, we gather Virat would then join the meeting via video conference. And this meeting holds importance because this meeting would also have Virat Kohli's say. The captain doesn't have a vote, but I think he's the man who's going to lead India in the Champions Trophy, possibly in the next World Cup. And so how he thinks of MS Dhoni, because we're speaking to the chief chairman of selectors the other day, and he said how Dhoni would which position Dhoni would bat, how he fits into the scheme of things. Virat view would be heard. And so today, when the selectors get together with Virat, we'll know, it's sure it would be discussed whether Virat looks at Dhoni as someone who can bat at number 4, build an innings, or still looks at him as someone who can play at 5 and 6 and cushion the innings and finish off games. Based upon that, the rest of the middle order would be chosen. So I think in that sense, this is a very crucial selection meet.
And also, Rashesh, as Virat has taken to Twitter saying thanks for always being a leader a youngster wants to have around him. It's Captain Kohli who stepped down. But how is Virat Kohli's elevation being taken in the team? And obviously there will be comparisons between the Dhoni stint of captaincy and once the official announcement is made for Virat Kohli's stint as well.
Well, there have been comparisons for the past year and a half, and it's not surprising because, Virat's been able to sort of take this test team to the #1 rankings. He's come with his vibrant style of captaincy and delivered. And obviously that whole pressure of the one-day skipper working so well in the previous year, the Dhoni's limited overs team not being able to perform as well would also have played a part in Dhoni deciding that perhaps it's time for this team to be given away to Virat and play as a player. So I think that's interesting. Also, the way Virat and Dhoni combination works is something that would be looked at very closely by observers. There have been many captain combinations in the past: Sourav Ganguly, Rahul Dravid, Sunil Gavaskar, Kapil Dev, Sachin Tendulkar, Azhar, who worked under someone else and then made to work against the other. And this is how it's going to work. And it would be interesting if Dhoni can possibly sort of become the free-flowing batsman that he was. Then I think that would be an asset to Virat Kohli, the new one-day skipper as well.
All right, Rashesh, thanks for joining us. So the big meet beginning at 12:30 p.m. Post that the announcement is expected on Virat's imminent elevation, tracking that story as well.